Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can sign out of your Apple ID in your iPhone. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in your app library and you need to find settings and then just open it. And once you're in your settings, you just need to go to the top bar with your name on it that says Apple ID, iCloud, Media and Purchases. Open it and now you can see this option that says sign out right below. After you just scroll down, you can see sign out over here. So if you just tap on it, you just need to enter your password. And then just tap on turn off on the top right corner over there. And after you do that, you would have successfully signed out of your Apple ID. So guys, that's how you sign out of your Apple ID in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.